This is a Body in a Body EP, and in 2023 Jacob Dwyer released a record that captivated listeners. His 1-hour audio drama Tom's House is hypnotic, surreal, and gave life with Steve Roberts to this powerful EP, released on the UK-based label Private Parts, featuring Canon HF10, the Baby Legit, and Upside Down, and Red Flowers. These are the names of the track. This is a sweet release. Surreal, poetic, and definitely unforgettable, I would say. So we're going to enjoy together one of the cuts from this release. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Enjoy!
sounds right.
Nice. Jacob Dwyer, Steve Roberts, A Body in a Body EP, released on Private Parts. The whole EP is unique, and I played all the versions on this EP on different sets, and the response on the dance floor has been great. You can actually check the last set that was released on Premiere last Saturday on our YouTube channel, and I'm playing exactly this track, so I'm not gonna tell you exactly which part of the set, but yeah, I encourage you to go and enjoy and deep dive, because it's an incredibly good one.